Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on machine learning. As we have gone through many videos on facial emotion recognition such as angry, disgusting, surprise, happy, fear and 7 facial expression. We have also gone through facial expression detection using webcam used from the image. Then we also seen detect gender from the webcam and many more videos on machine learning. We also seen many videos on fair library and deepfake library. Today's video is really interesting. So let us go through the Python file. Importing the required libraries for the program which are needed. Keras is used. Then pandas, Tensorflow. We have seen one video on Tensorflow, NumPy. Then dataset to detect the facial emotion recognition. This dataset is training and testing. Then rows and column gray cell in the sense pixels, number of pixels. Then class is 7 means disgusting, happy, fear and etc. Then a method count expression to count the facial expression. Here is the directory path is there. The pandas data frame with dictionary and index in the sense training and expression. Okay, and train count means how many facial expression are of angry, how many facial expression are of happy, how many facial expressions are of fear. That count will be seen here. Then train count in the bar chart. Then plot matplotlib. Then plot figure size in the sense and for loop to display the graph in matplotlib and plt.show to show the graph. Now I will execute the program. Yes, it is displaying. Wait for. So I have successfully done with fear facial emotion recognition with graph. Yes, this part we have seen happy face and this part and this and here are the count of facial expression. Here are this angry and this disgusting and this part. So I have successfully done with facial emotion recognition using Keras library. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.